Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. And just let me share with you why I absolutely love my wedding ring band. First of all, it matches perfectly with my engagement ring. They complement each other so well, and I couldn't be happier with how they look together. I've had this ring for over 10 years now, and it's still as gorgeous as the day I first put it on. It's incredibly durable and it still looks really shiny. Another thing I love is how easy it is to maintain. A quick clean now and then and it looks as good as new. It's made of high quality silver, which not only adds to its durability but also gives it a stunning timeless look. And just look at how delicate it looks. The design is elegant and refined, which makes it perfect for both everyday wear and special occasions. So it's really the whole package. It's a ring that matches beautifully, it's durable, it's easy to maintain, it's made of good quality silver, and it looks incredibly delicate. So this is why I really love my wedding ring band, and that is my point of view.